The first big change is more holistic solutions and platforms supporting the financial crime landscape for organisations. Currently, the biggest banks in the world have multi-vendor relationships who are particularly specialist in one area because of how their products have been developed. Organisations are now looking to streamline their vendor relationships, and likewise, vendors in their own right are developing more advanced capabilities so that they can deliver a wider offering and go from start to finish within a value stream. The second development is bound to be related to AI and automation. So most major organisations are at some point in their journey when it comes to automating investigations and adopting AI to do that. Naturally, that's going to bring more of a focus on how those organisations hold AI accountable, ensuring that where we are now in terms of traceability and accountability continues as more complex automation is delivered through the value stream. The next big shift from my perspective is bringing together some of the constituent parts of financial crime. So over the last 15 years, within major organisations, you've typically seen fraud and the other areas of financial crime diverge because of competing agendas, regulations, simply the size and scale of trying to run organisations as big as they have become. Now that organisations have recognised how they can leverage automation, leverage the AI solutions, it gives the opportunity to make those operating models more streamlined and gives the opportunity of bringing those back together again, recognise the commonalities between those risk types, bringing together platforms, technology platforms that can deal with both types of financial crime as opposed to having to run those in parallel. And the final piece, which is more human related, is right now the focus on automation is being able to scale teams, deal with problems faster, drive consistency and accuracy. And we talk about the human investigator having the opportunity to progress from a capability perspective. And we're on the beginning of that journey. There is a real opportunity now for investigators to work alongside AI solutions to become more advanced in their own capabilities, take on more senior roles, and potentially even make career changes where they are involved in the development of those AI solutions within their own organisation.